Alright, yo, what's going on YouTube? It's your boy Kazo. This is the first video on this channel. So right now I have a 5-inch rough country lift installed on this truck. As you can see, hold on. 5-inch rough country. It's gonna be a whole lot of things I want to do to this truck. First thing is probably get the spacers for the back end. Cause with the let me go to the back. With the lift, the rough country lift, it's gonna expand the tires out. Like it's gonna give the tires its own space, just cause the lift is higher, so it can fit bigger tires. But as you can see from right here, the difference. But I definitely want to get that fixed up first. Then before hunting season, I'm gonna take these off, of course. I got my dog box. Got 6-inch true dual catback exhaust. I got 35-inch Gladiators with 24-inch rims. You know, I love Graps, but I just love how the Gladiators look on these type of trucks. I don't know, it's just something about them Gladiators that do something to me. But anyway, if you was thinking about getting a 5-inch rough country lift installed on your 07 to 13 Silverado, I somewhat recommend it. I just wanted to avoid some of the squat trouble, so I just went ahead and put a 3-inch rear block in the end. I didn't want, it looks more level than squatted, but in person you can obviously tell it's definitely leaning. It's sexy on these type of trucks, man, I can't lie. I took it to my local tire shop that they decided to install it for me. They said they could install it, so I let them do it. I didn't really know what I was doing. I didn't want to mess up anything, so they went ahead and did that for me. But yeah, this is my truck, man. I got a lot of things I need to do to this truck. All I did was put the chrome caps on the rear mirrors and the handles. Like all you gotta do is like it's stick on, so like just order the right one instead of like replacing the whole handle. You know what I'm saying? It's cheaper, it look better, you can hardly tell. A dude in my hunt club built a dog box for me, you know what I'm saying? His name Jagger. If you wanna get a dog box built, hit me up and I'll send you his information. And then I want to do clear headlights with chrome grille, of course. That's obviously gonna set the truck off with all the chrome and blue, navy blue and chrome, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, this is a 5-inch rough country lift with a 3-inch rear block. Yeah, this is how it looks. And I'm about to record some TikToks to go. Like, I'm about to record some TikToks because I just got the truck back yesterday. I had it going for like, I think 3 days it took them to install just because they said it was busy. But yeah, this is the truck. Nah, bro, she is sexy, bro. You can tell the little lean in the back. 6-inch true dual catback right here. I got all my cats on still. My truck is horrendously dirty. Sorry about that. I'm gonna replace this. This is just ugly, I'm sorry. But yeah, 6-inch true dual on both sides, coming out from behind both tires. Yep, this is, oh, let me go over my tint. I got 5% right here, ceramic. Got 15 right here on both sides. Then I got a vinyl strip with 35% front windshield tint. In person, I swear you can't see in it. But yeah, 15.5, and then in the back where I got Kazo at, I'm pretty sure that's only, that's like 20. I think that's 20%. Let me show you the dog box that Dragger built for me. Get at him, bro. Here's, call this number. That's I'm dropping the box all summer, bro. Let me not say that. But I already got dogs and stuff, you know what I'm saying? I'm just waiting on my collars to come in. I'm gonna get a CB radio. And then I'm gonna record probably at least every hunt that we do just to get good content out for you guys, you know what I'm saying? But this is a sexy truck. I got a lot I want to do to it to make it even better. If you got any ideas I can do to the truck, dang, I hate that, bro. If you got any ideas I can do to the truck to make it look even sexier, of course, like, send it. Comment. I need all that. I need to hear everything that I can do. These are coming off, guys. These is coming off soon, I'm telling you. I just need to wash the truck. Then I'm gonna put some one of the TikTok clips that I recorded earlier before I made this video in here, just to promote my damn TikTok. But yeah, this is my truck, man.
You ain't even get back for your walk, but that shit be scary. Cutlass rolling around town, trying to.
And also, I obviously can go louder. I mean, I could easily cut all my cats. Not easily, but you know what? I can get it cut if I wanted to, but I really don't want to cut my cats. There's really just no point for that. You know what I'm saying? But I hope you guys enjoyed the video. You know what I'm saying? Stay tuned, bro. This gonna be a jumping channel. It's probably not gonna be just me. I mean, I'm mainly the owner of this channel, but I'm gonna have GoPros or people in the hunting club. Sorry. I'm gonna have GoPros for people in the hunting club. Everybody gonna get a camera. We're gonna record everything, all the live action, you know what I'm saying? We're gonna turn this side of South Carolina up. Let's go.